Hey y'all, so I'm gonna show you how I make tofu scramble. Now this is like a really popular dish here on YouTube or just in the vegan vegetarian community, but I do something a little bit different to mine as far as like getting the flavors that I want. So this is what I use: some firm tofu from Trader Joe's. You can get it from anywhere though. Nutritional yeast that I got from Trader Joe's as well. Whatever type of seasoning that you like. I like onions, turmeric. Well, this is minced onions, turmeric, which is key. This is key to get the color that you want. Garlic powder, salt. This is Himalayan pink salt. I got it in a huge bag. I just put it in an empty spice container that I had. And I got me a helper. Come here. A baby. Just add a 1-year-old in there. Makes everything taste good. And we're gonna add in some coconut oil for my oil. I think this will probably be the first time I use coconut oil, but when I used to eat eggs, I used coconut for my eggs, and it was actually really good. My best friend, oh, go play, Maddie. My best friend is the one who introduced me to do that. And then also some pepper, but you can use whatever seasoning that you want, and tahini. Now I put this in a video where I was talking about what type of, what do you call it, like certain things you can get from Trader Joe's that are vegan, and people was like, oh, this is too bitter, like, oh my goodness, what the heck. You have to add it to stuff. So I'm gonna show you all how I add it to my tofu to give like a really good, rich, nutty, I don't know, it's not like you're eating nuts. I'm not gonna say it's not that type of nutty, but it's just like it gives it a depth of flavor. I really like it. So let me show y'all. This tofu does not have to be frozen or anything. You can take it right out of the container. What I do is I drain it just right into the container. Then transfer it to my bowl. Break it up. It's easier if you break it up and drain it. And you just kind of like press it and move your hand down a little bit to really get it out. So squish it and kind of move your hand down to get everything out. Don't worry, see, it's a lot of liquid in there. You can reuse these containers too, you know. Then you just add all your seasoning. I have the tofu scramble, some rice with butter. Sometimes you just gotta add what you want to add to your food. And some cabbage that I made last night, which is so freaking good. Oh my god, I haven't had cabbage in so long. And I was just like, I just wanted some cabbage, and it's so good for you too. And there was no oil in it. I did put some coconut oil in the eggs. Like I said, I put some butter, some vegan butter in my rice because I just wanted that buttery taste. But like I said, sometimes you just gotta eat what you want to eat. So the tofu scramble was really good. What I will say is it do have an eggy texture to me. So if you don't like eggs, of course you probably won't like this. And then make sure that when you cook it, like you give it time to actually cook through, because the color can kind of throw you off. Yeah, I think I got oil on me, but anyways, the color can throw you off. it can make you think that it's cooked because it's yellow, but give it a little bit more time to kind of brown up. That way you know it's actually cooked all the way through. But this is good. I like it. I'm gonna show you how I made this cabbage, y'all. It's so freaking good. All right. So I'm getting this the banana to get to my 1-year-old, because all the moms out there, you know how when you come out with some food, your child runs to you no matter how full they are. They run them to you ready to eat something. So I'm gonna give her this so I can eat my food. The baby sleeps, so we gonna just be chilling for a second, okay? Okay.